Hello viewers, welcome to you all, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to solve Instagram login error problem. So let's begin our video, and if you are new here in my channel, so don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So first of all, you need to launch on your Google Play Store, and after launch on your Google Play Store, then type Instagram, and you need to check out your Instagram apps is updated or not. If your channel is not updated, so must be update it. After update it, then let's back, and now you need to find out your phone settings option. So I find it my phone settings here, so just open it, and now you need to find out apps or apps management. I find apps option on my phone, so just open it, and after that you need to tap on manage apps option. Here you can see manage apps, so just open it, and now you need to find out Instagram application. So finally I can find my Instagram apps is here, so just open it, and you need to tap on the down right corner. There have a option clear data, so just tap it, and now clear case, confirm it. That's it. Now you need to go permission option. Here you can see there have a option permission, so just open these apps, and now you need to allow everything. If your phone is not allow everything, make sure everything is allow on your phone. Allow everything, you need to allow everything. After allow everything, then let's back. Now you need to open your Instagram apps, and now you just type your password here, and now you need to log in. Here you can see it's loading now, and now finally I didn't face Instagram login error problem. It's finally open. So guys, in this way you can solve, or you can solve your Instagram login error problem. So hope this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.